When it comes to IT spending, pretty much anybody inside a company, the first thing you think of is this stuff's expensive, right? And it seems to be getting more and more expensive every day, every month, every year. So this idea of cost optimization, IT cost optimization, we talk about that a lot with our customers. And the reason really is primarily how do we help people figure out how to at least slow the cost of the technology that they're deploying to help their businesses, work better. And what does that really mean? I mean, it sounds like a buzzword. In some ways it kind of is, or a buzz phrase. But realistically, what it means is we try to take a look at what is it you currently already have, what is it we think you need? And again, this is around, the needs are really around making sure that we understand what you're trying to do as a business. And then how do we marry those up? We're not gonna come in with just sort of a dogmatic plan that says, you look like this, you have these kinds of needs, you need these 4 services, and we're gonna sell them to you. Because you might already have 2 perfectly usable replacements or facsimiles for the 2 of those 4 services. So we're not gonna force you to buy those 4. We're not gonna have kind of a one-size-fits-all, you've gotta buy all of these things. So for us, IT cost optimization means taking a look at what you currently have, making sure we really understand where you wanna go, and then trying to optimize the spend across the universe of, again, that sort of, I'll call it legacy, that's not really what I mean, already existing services with maybe the new pieces and parts that you need. We offer 2 different types of cost optimization at Plow. The first would be sort of the overarching, sort of broader cost optimization where we're taking a look at everything. That's much more consultative, right? And if that's something you're thinking about, you can reach out to us. You can sit down with one of our experts and they'll do more of a deep dive, make sure they understand the business, what you have, and then that sort of sort of matching up of here's what you currently have and here are the pieces you need. We also have a very specific form of optimization service for Microsoft 365 environments, particularly larger ones where you've got hundreds of users, multiple subscriptions that you've purchased to cover your needs. It's very often that in those environments there's wasted licenses you're not using, perhaps even subscription types that don't make sense for, you may be over licensed for the business needs of the users. We built in-house some software to help analyze your tenant, help you build some recommendations around that, and then one of our experts specific to CSP will sit down with you and talk about those and see what you can do, again, to optimize/minimize your cost to make sure you're getting what you need from that 365 tenant.